Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into use Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into open custom environment projects in the native app, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. If you have used custom environments and project, you might have noticed that the only way to open your project is via Power Apps. With their new updates, you will have two options to easily access them in Project. Option 1: if you have Project and Power Apps opened, you will be able to see the Open Project button on top, which will take you to Project. Option 2: go to the Project homepage, and you can see your list of projects in the bottom pane. Clicking on these projects will directly open them in Project. Opening custom environment projects in a native app streamlines workflows, enhances performance, and ensures seamless integration with system features. Whether you're a developer, designer, or data scientist, utilizing native applications for custom environments offers a more efficient and productive experience. By following best practices, automating configurations, and leveraging native app capabilities, users can optimize their workflows and achieve better results in their projects. Don't forget to subscribe or like us for more videos. Thank you.